Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101. We find the perfect luxury apartments in the Dallas area with 100% free and fast service. Today we're standing in front of the Jefferson Lumen. This is a gorgeous mid-rise, recently built apartment. It's in a fantastic area called Las Colinas. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take a tour. We're going to take a really detailed tour, and we're going to divide it up into about 8 to 10 video segments so that you can see what you want. We're going to see a model or two, we're going to see the amenities, and we're just going to give you a great feel of this apartment because it might be your future apartment. We're going to do that. We're about to go do that in a minute. But before we do, I'm going to show off this area a little bit. This is the Las Colinas area. This is a gorgeous area. It is beautiful. It's for professionals. It's about 15 to 20 minutes from Uptown. It's also super close to the DFW airport. It's also close to get to AT&T Stadium if you're a Dallas Cowboys fan. It's not very far away. And there's also a lot to do even in quick walking distance from here. Las Colinas is more of a business community, but it also has a lot of recently built apartments, and it's just gorgeous. You can see also over there a canal. There's water all around. We'll talk about that a little bit more in another video, but it's a fantastic area. Also, you can see this is a very, very beautiful community. You can see more of it over here. It's 5 stories and it extends from here and then it goes all the way down there. So this is gorgeous. Usually when I see something with Jefferson, I love it. Jefferson is a very good management company. As far as I'm concerned, that's their name. It's usually actually with ZRS management that is in charge of it. So if it's Jefferson, it's ZRS. And anytime I see Jefferson, I just think pretty property because they put together really, really pretty properties that you're gonna like. So I believe you'll see that when we tour. So now let's go check and see what the Jefferson Lumen looks like. I can't wait for you to see it.